Good morning. Welcome to the Independence Day celebration at our school. In this national celebration day, we should all feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us freedom. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of British government. They treated us like slaves, tortured us and destroyed our money and resources. But after all the struggles, with the help of freedom fighters, Indians fought for their rights and freedom. Independence gave us many benefits. It is a beautiful gift. So now it is our responsibility to value independence by doing pure deeds like keeping our environment clean, helping the people in need, and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our constitutions. I would like to end my speech with these couplets of Urdu. ये हिंदोस्तां है हमारा वतन, मोहब्बत की आंखों का तारा वतन. ये हिंदोस्तां है हमारा वतन, मोहब्बत की आंखों का तारा वतन. हमारा वतन दिल से प्यारा वतन. इसी से है इस जिंदगी की बहार, वतन की मोहब्बत हो या माँ का प्यार. इसी से है इस जिंदगी की बहार, वतन की मोहब्बत हो या माँ का प्यार. हमारा वतन दिल से प्यारा वतन, हमारा वतन दिल से प्यारा वतन. थैंक यू.